Hey guys, what's up? This is your boy Rand Cruz back with another reaction video. And this one's going to be on Scarlord, how they judge. So, Scarlord, this guy is the definition of trap metal. He and X are the reason why I started listening to such hardcore stuff. There's like this hardcore music. And X had a rage in his music, but when I heard Scarlord, this guy's rage was on another level. It took me some time to get used to his music in the start. The first song I heard of Scarlord was Heart Attack, and to be honest, I liked the song, but I didn't love it. And because it was like too much, I think, screamo for me, too much screamo on the start. I was not used to that type of music. I mean, I heard X and all, but I had to like develop a taste for his music. It's like beer. The first time you try beer, it's not gonna taste that good, but in time, it's gonna taste good and you're gonna enjoy it. So I've heard most of Scarlett's songs, and this song, How They Judge, is my favorite. I like to listen to the song whenever I'm in a bad mood or I'm pissed off. I find the song very relatable, and whenever I'm in a bad mood, I just want to vent out. It kind of helps me. The song is like therapy for me. I enjoy his music. I enjoy the song thoroughly. So I've already seen this music video, and it's not gonna be a genuine first reaction, but I enjoy his music and I wanted to share it on my channel so that other people or random people can, whoever come to my channel or who are subscribed to me, can listen to his music and then and find, discover new artists like him. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. Made in hell. I mean, first of all, this guy's dressing sense is just off the hook. Like, at first, I thought he was trying to, dress up as an anime character because obviously he's influenced by Tokyo Ghoul, Kaneki, and then I found out that he follows a fashion type called tekkei, which is more prevalent in Japan. So he's not the only one who's wearing this type of outfits. There are a lot of Japanese people who follow this type of fashion. You can say tekkei is influenced by anime, or maybe anime is inspired by tekkei. I do not know, but there's a lot of people in Japan dressing like this, and it's fucking lit. I mean, I don't know what he's tied on his calves and all, but it looks good. That Tokyo Ghoul mask and his goggles. See even this, I don't know what he's wearing around his head. He's like a chain around his head. In the, I don't know, these small accessories make his style, look so much better. See that? And even his music videos, dude. I've heard that he edits all his music videos on. He edits. The fuck am I saying? Edits. Even his music videos. I've heard that he edits all his music videos on his own. I mean, it's like a simple music video, but then the amount of energy he portrays, and like slight edits he does. The slow mos and the mirroring. I mean, it's simple, but it's so fucking good. See, like these slow mo montages he has. See, and this mirror. Let us spit, dude. What's this chain here? It's like filled with accessories. Dude, I think he's the only one who can portray the amount of energy he has. I mean, the amount of energy he has in the music videos, dude, I think no one can portray the energy so, fluently. I don't think any artist can portray the amount of energy this guy has, dude. His energy is just skyrocketing. And he portrays it so well. Like, damn. Creepy look in the end. I mean, he wore that goggles as a headband. Like, he knows how to use the accessories. This guy is just amazing. He edits his own videos. He's found a perfect blend of trap and metal. His dressing sense is just off the hook. Been hearing his music for a long time, so I can see the change in his music. Like he's adapted throughout the years. He's found that sweet spot between trap and metal. The amount of screams and rap which he does, the perfect blend. 60-40, 60% screaming, 40% rapping. Others, in his previous songs, they were like, I think, excess screaming, and to gain an audience who's not into this type of music, I think you have to find a perfect blend. And for me, I already told I had to develop a taste for his music, but I really enjoy the screaming music. Like the old ones. Like I'm used to it now. I just love the music, and I can listen to screams throughout. Especially his guttural screams. In his older music, he used to scream like a lot. And for a newbie who's first time listening to his music, it's going to be like a lot. Like for me, I had to develop a taste. The first time I heard Heart Attack, I didn't go and listen to more of his music. I started listening to more hardcore music, and I slowly found my way back to it. So like now, if a new guy who just happens to cross his music, for the first time, he's not gonna get scared of it. Basically, that's what I'm saying. Like it's like for example, a person who likes metal music, he's gonna easily like this type of music. And for me, like I haven't heard much metal music in my life, and like obviously some famous ones like some of Metallica's music. Obviously, I've heard those songs, but and I've never heard like the scream type music. Linkin Park also had that vibe in him. Chester used to go crazy. Like giving up. Heard that song, giving up. But that's the I think max I've heard of screamo type music. And then X came. X was also like amazing, but he had the perfect blend also. Then Scar came. Scar this guy first frightened me, dude. Like that's a bit too much screams. Like it's a bit too much for me, for my taste. And then afterwards, I slowly got into hardcore music, and I just fell in love with this guy. This guy is just the best in this genre of trap metal. I can't wait for the next album, Doom 2. I'll be reacting to the next album for sure. So if you guys liked my reaction video, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Obviously, the original link of the video is down in the description. And for now,